Chao Phraya Express Boat is a famous boat service in Bangkok that serves commuters along Chao Phraya River. It's also a traveler's favorite because it passes through the famous landmarks such as Grand Palace, Wat Arun, Wat Pho, Khao San Road, Chinatown, Sathorn, where you can connect to Sapon Taksin BTS station, as well as the Asiatique The Riverfront. Chao Phraya Express Boat is different from Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Let's explore Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Also known as Blue Flag, the Chao Phraya Tourist Boat is a boat that runs every 30 minutes between Phra Arthit near Khao San Road and Saporn Taksin. In the late afternoon, between 4 to 6 p.m., the boat also goes further south from Saporn Taksin to Asiatique. The operating hours of Chao Phraya Tourist Boat is from 9:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. You can visit the following famous landmarks in one day with Chao Phraya Tourist Boat. Here are the prices and options. Before taking your first ride, purchase your tickets at the counter located at the pier. You can also purchase online from their official website, but you must exchange the e-ticket to physical ticket only at two locations, Sathorn and Maharaj Pier. Sometimes they have promotions on their website, so do check their website before your trip. River Crossing Ferry. What is River Crossing Ferry? Also known as Ferry Crossing Service, this ferry serves commuters who want to cross the river to the other side. Examples: between Grand Palace and Wang Lang. Cost are between 3 to 5 bahts. In order to know whether there's any ferry crossing service at a pier, you can check Google Maps. If there's a dotted line that connects a pier to the pier that's across the river, it means there is a ferry crossing service. When you're already at the pier, look for signs that says ferry crossing service or something like that. When in doubt, always ask the locals. Long-tail boat. Long-tail boat isn't exactly a public transportation in Bangkok. It's a private boat that can be hired to bring you around places of your choice. Hiring a long-tail boat is expensive, but it gives you the freedom to travel at your own pace. To hire a long-tail boat, head to Sathorn Taksin Pier. Since there's no fixed route and price, you need to discuss your itinerary with the boat driver and haggle. Personally, I do not recommend taking long-tail boat because there's a risk of being scammed. I advise that you stick with public boat instead because it's cheaper and the route is clear. River cruises. Technically, Bangkok's river cruise isn't exactly a transportation method to get you from point A to point B. However, it is a fantastic way to see Bangkok in the evening when the night lights are out. The cruises typically include dinner, so it's a great way to bond with your friends and family members, or to wind down after a hectic day of traveling. There are so many companies that provide river cruise in Bangkok. Here are some of the most popular river cruises in Bangkok. 1. Chao Phraya Princess Cruise. 2. Supaniga Cruise. 3. Apsara Dinner Cruise by Banyan Tree. 4. Grand Pearl Dinner Cruise. 5. Chao Phraya White Orchid River Cruise. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.